Hi Year 9 and welcome to our assembly this week, and it's on digital diet. Here are some simple steps to a balanced digital diet and better well-being. Even though junk food tastes great, it would soon get boring if you ate it all every day. Eventually, it would probably just make you sick. Just like food, a balanced digital diet is all about variety. Having a healthy diet doesn't mean that you never eat pizza or chocolate again, but it is important that you eat them in moderation, along with your five fruits and veg a day. In the same way, you don't have to give up your smartphone forever to have a healthy diet. When phones, social media, and other games make you feel worried, stressed, or a bit out of control, it often means that we haven't got the balance quite right. Finding the right digital balance means enjoying all the fun, exciting, and creative things about being online while making sure that we aren't caught doing the same things all of the time. Phones and social media can make staying connected to our friends and family really easy and fun. It's important to be able to have a laugh, share our feelings, and know that others understand. Spending time online connecting with people you know in a safe, positive way can be an important part of our digital diet. Take some time off and get active. Movement helps boost emotional well-being. You don't have to be an athlete or a football star to be active. Find the things that you enjoy the most: swimming, walking, dancing or yoga, and start at a level that works for you. Do it regularly and you will soon level up. Endless scrolling or taking selfies can get dull and can really make us bored and unhappy, which is why it is important to have a varied digital diet. The web is an amazing place to discover new things, learn new skills, and get creative. Whether it's following YouTube tutorials or building Minecraft masterpieces, getting out of your comfort zone to create and learn something new will help you get much more from your digital day. It will also boost your confidence and improve your mental well-being. Giving to others not only boosts other people's well-being, but it also makes us feel happy too. This isn't just about giving to charity, although that's good. It's about having a positive attitude throughout the digital day. There are also many little ways that you can help your friends and family. Being mindful means that paying attention to how something makes us feel. If keeping up with notifications is making you feel stressed, if you're anxious about getting enough likes or being online is making you feel tired, recognize these feelings and take a break. Learn what worries you. Speak to people that you can trust and ask for help when you feel you need it. Managing your digital well-being is not something you do all alone. The most important ingredient in well-being is staying safe. To make sure that you can get the best from your digital diet, you must know how to stay safe online. Do you know the site or app that you are using? Is it the best place for you and people your age to be? Do you know the people you are connected with? Do you know how to manage who can see your posts and who can contact you? Do you know how to switch off notifications, location, and your camera? Do you know how to block people and report worries? If you have any questions about staying safe or you want any help, speak with an adult who you can trust or a member of staff at school. Year 9, I really do hope that you are getting a balanced digital diet, and I hope these tips will help you manage your time online. Thank you for listening.